to vaccinate or not vaccinate your children?
Vaccinate. Absolutely.
Absolutely vaccinate your children.
The measles vaccine getting a shot of support on the streets of Toronto one day after health officials confirmed 4 cases in the city.
To date, we haven't been able to determine whether there's any linkage or connection between those 4 cases.
One thing linking 3 of them, however, is that they were unvaccinated, adding more fuel to a debate that today had the health minister weighing in.
This is an illness that is easy to spread.
Eric Hoskins is a medical doctor, and he got his PhD at Oxford on the measles vaccine.
I would encourage people, not just for their own children, but for the protection of the community around them. It's the way that we prevent it from spreading is by having as many people, children particularly, protected.
For the most part in Ontario, they are. 96% of kids under the age of 17 have had the MMR vaccine. But under 7, that number slips to 88%. Lower numbers for the younger children, perhaps influenced by high-profile vaccine naysayers like Jenny McCarthy.
Thank you!
Who incorrectly linked the shot to autism in children.
A number of years ago, obviously, there were some concerns that were raised which were completely unfounded.
Then there's the so-called anti-vaxxers, parents who choose not to vaccinate their children. They make up the other side of this debate, a conversation they say has turned toxic in recent weeks.
No one wants to be ostracized. No one wants to be called an anti-vaxxer.
Vaccine Choice Canada says parents and their kids have been turned away at doctors' offices for choosing not to get the vaccine, one they believe comes with risks.
I do have a number of parents, mothers, friends of mine in the United States in particular who have expressed very deep concern over regression of into neurological concerns following the administration of that vaccine.
Something health officials deny.
No.
Not up for debate, however, is making the MMR vaccine mandatory in Ontario.
It is a requirement, however, for school entry. So our efforts are working well. There's still room to improve.
With the province slamming the door shut on mandatory vaccine, that only means one thing. This debate will continue for some time to come. If you want to weigh in, go to our website, citynews.ca. At Hospital Row, I'm Amanda Ferguson for City News.